It's the epic race between the tricycle and the 2 dump trucks. Let's see it happen. You cheated! You have to wait till we say go. Do you want to win? Fair and square? All right.
Whoever wins gets the $5.
Whoever wins gives $5. A crisp $5 bill to the winner. This time you have to wait till I say go, okay? Ready, steady, go! Mommy crashed big time. That was awesome. Did you win? I don't know. We'll have to look to see who won later. Oh, dang. What? Mommy got some hardcore scrapes. Can you do one more race with Uncle Boone?
Yes, I want to see
One
it.
more? All right. And me? Okay, but I got River.
I can hold her.
You can hold her? Okay.
I think that Patrick's going to win.
Uh-oh.
That's my bet. River, what do you think? I think Brother's going to win. Do you think you're going to win? You're going to beat Uncle Boone and Daddy? I don't know.
We'll
All right,
see.
Patrick, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, you ready, Uncle Boone? Ready, Axel?
Start your engines.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go! What you doing, girl? Eating some blueberries? We're just out here getting our vitamin D and having a little snack while Daddy and Axel and Uncle Boone, they're recording an Axel show. Where'd they go? Oh, there they are. They're on the other side of the lake with the dump truck. Dump trucks and nets. They're going to find some fish. River's been wearing my hat. All right, let's put it on. Look. She's not a fan. Like this. And then it blocks the sun. See? It's like, just seems annoying more than anything. Uh-oh, you're hooked. Successful fish hunt.
Yes, success. Dump truck fish hunt.
River, do you want to look at the little fish in the dump truck? Look! They caught several. Look at this, River. Whoa! She's like, can I grab them? Here they come with more.
Oh, there's 2 more. Dump them out the other way. Dude, is that cool or what, Mommy?
That's awesome. What's your name?
Wyatt.
Nice to meet you, Wyatt. Do you think you can beat Uncle Boone?
Wyatt, Uncle Boone.
Go! Woo! Nice job, Wyatt. That was awesome.
Uncle Boone's gonna attempt the impossible. Handstand belly flop. Another trick by Uncle Boone. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Watch this. Oh, never mind. Earlier, I took her out,
She's like,
she just
yeah,
started
right,
crying
Daddy.
Immediately.
Yeah, right, Daddy.
She's like, I'm not gonna cry for the camera.
She's going for a ride.
It's funny, but like, she really loves the dump truck. Like,
Oh my
legit
gosh, she's
loves
obsessed.
it. It's so crazy. I don't know if you guys ever saw that birth vlog where she was born, but she was in a dump truck. She's like, once the dump truck driver, always the dump truck driver. She's pretty heavy, but it's actually floating. Like,
Oh my gosh.
really holding it. You're in the dump truck mode.
Mommy,
Yes.
and landed on the rocks and she drank some of the water.
Yeah, River when she toppled out. Yeah, that was
dead.
seriously fail parenting. Patrick and I were like trying to set up the camera and get a shot of River underneath the water in the dump truck. And then we're just like, oh, set it up like this. And all of a sudden we look over and she like does a complete front flip out of the dump truck underwater and is like, ah! It was
People are like watching us film there.
Everybody's watching us
and
film. It
everyone's
was
like,
so embarrassing.
They care more about getting
care-
this shot than
All
their
they
baby.
care about is the shot. Oh,
But I had
so
to tell
bad.
myself in my mind, I was like,
No,
the
that's not
people
true.
actually drop their babies in the water to teach them how to swim when they're at age, you know?
Right.
So, it's a thing.
All right, Axel. Paddleboard time all the way to the other side. Can they make it? Say, oh yeah. Here they go.
Daddy, you paddle on that side, I'll paddle on this side.
Well, okay, we can just both paddle on both sides, okay? right. Alright, bro, you ready to go? Well, we have to go back so mommy can have a turn. If I jump off the rock, will you leave? Steady, go. Let's go. Let's stop.
Bye, Daddy.
Hey, what are you doing? Come back. Get back here. Where are you going? Wow, that was so loud.
Is this about where you stand on it?
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. River's super excited about the drone. Is it cool? Is the drone cool? Wow, you got a lot there.
Those kind of berries.
Yeah. Oh, look. Here comes mommy. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool.
Prize for getting that. Mommy.
Here, give her the prize. Give me some. Oh, those are those Oregon grapes. Those ones are tart. Oh, buddy. Oh, that's way too tart for me. All right. Oh, where's mommy? River's tripping. River freaks out as she sees the drone. She's like, "It's a bird. You want to fly away with it, River?"
Not too close. So much fun. Okay, let's get back with baby.
Yeah.
See if I can fly me up.
Would that be cool? What if you wanted to let go? You just drop into the water.
River, did you have fun watching everybody? Yeah. Had fun trying to eat rocks.
I like the drone.
Well, that was an amazing day here out at Lake Pend Oreille, and we all had fun on the paddleboard, right?
Yes.
Great fun.
Guys get out and use your mat. No, dude. You guys get out in nature. Don't go to a theme park. Go to a state park.
Yes,
Seriously.
so much better. National park, state park, your backyard, anywhere that has trees, right? Trees and maybe some water.
We don't need trees.
We don't? How will you survive without the green from the trees to give you oxygen? All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and give us a thumbs up. It helps us get the word out. So we'll see you soon. Where are we going?
We're going to the drive-thru, you guys.
Yep,
Gotta
get some
something to eat
food.
after a long, hard day at the
Some
beach.
fast food.
Fast berry food.
Thimbleberry. We're about to go to bed, but what do you have? What did you find? It's a banana slug.
So cool.
River is super fascinated by it and wants to grab it, and maybe
You wanna
wants to eat it.
Oh.
Is that a huge slug? Oh. She's like, this is weirding me out. What weird gooey stuff is getting on my hands? It's time to say goodnight to the banana slug. Good night, guys. Good night, banana slug.
Good night, banana slug. Dude, the thing is so long.
So huge.